Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.